Okay, so today gagawa po tayo ng macaroni salad. So what are we going to use is around like a 1/4 kilo or 250 grams of this is a elbow macaroni. Um, Cook already per package, and we have here around like 850 grams of fruit cocktail. I already drained it. And we also have mayonnaise. And this is a 1 can of condensed milk, but we're not going to use like all of it. Probably like mga 1/2 lang siguro. And then 1 can of Nestle cream. Okay, so we're gonna start to add the fruit cocktail. Actually, I have more proportion for the fruit cocktail because we really don't like a lot of, the pasta or the elbow macaroni. We prefer to have it more for our salad to have more fruit cocktail rather than the pasta. Okay, so just mix it thoroughly. And next is we're gonna put 1 can of Nestle cream. So, you can see na very easy lang po to. Dali, kahit na mga bata, they can do this. Actually. Okay, so just mix. Mix lang po natin. And then next is yung ating pong the condensed milk. So, actually we don't like, yung too sweet. So probably like, you can put, enough like according to your taste. So, konti lang. I think this is enough. Ayaw po namin ng matamis. We don't like, too sweet. Okay. And then mix again. So, kitang-kita nyo po, napakadali lang pong gumawa. Paborito po namin kasi to as, our dessert. Like after, every meal. And then next, para po mas, you can really taste na mas masarap yung salad po natin, I usually put like mayo. Hindi naman as in like, a lot, but probably just, let's say 1/4. 1/4 cup. A little bit more. Okay. And then, mix again. So, ayan po, tapos na po. We already have macaroni salad. And we can taste. Hold on. Yum. We can also add bits of, what do you call that? Cheese. Lagyan po natin ng cheese. So I have here mozzarella and cheddar. Pero I'm just going to put like a little bit. Just probably a sprinkle. But if you want more, then it's all up to you. According to your taste. Okay, so there you have it. Macaroni salad. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!